The Garmin Venu series is intended at a wider audience of fitness lovers than the powerful Instinct and niche Forerunner lines. It represents the company's dedication to developing a more traditional smartwatch experience by giving Garmin a platform to debut innovative features before including them in other Garmin watch models. This pattern is continued by the Garmin Venu 3, which brings about significant improvements over the Venu 2. We've produced a side-by-side comparison of the recently released Venu 3 with its predecessor, the Venu 2, to highlight the fascinating array of new features. Let's start with the design. Both models share nearly identical dimensions, while the Garmin Venu 2 being ever so slightly larger in each dimension, a mere fraction of a millimeter. The designs cater to resizes ranging from 135mm to 200mm, and it's worth noting that both the Garmin Venu 3 and Garmin Venu 2 offer smaller size options as well. Each of these models boasts a stainless steel bezel paired with a durable fiber-reinforced polymer case, while the watch display is protected by the robust Gorilla Glass 3. Additionally, they all share a water-resistant rating of 5 atm equivalent to 50 meters, ensuring their sustainability for aquatic activities. Furthermore, they come with industry-standard quick-release bands, with the standard models accommodating 22mm bands, and the Venu 3S and Venu 2S supporting 18mm bands. While the Garmin Venu 3 clothier assembles the Garmin Venu 2 in most aspects, there is a notable physical distinction. The Venu 3 sports an additional button on its right side absent on the Venu 2. This extra button serves the purpose of activating the built-in speaker, a feature not present in the Venu 2 but available in the Garmin Venu 2 Plus model. In terms of displaying, the dimension of the Garmin Venu 2 and Garmin Venu 3 are nearly indistinguishable. The newer Venu 3 Cleveland incorporates a slightly larger display by minimizing the bezel size, and as a result, the Venu 3 boasts a 1.4 inches screen outshining the 1.3 inches display from the Venu. Moreover, the Venu 2 Plus maintains the 1.3 inches display size in the Venu 2. On the other hand, the smaller Venu 3S features a 1.2 inches display, while the Venu 2S comes with a slightly more compact 1.1 inches screen. Although the additional screen space may not be substantial to reduce bezel size, it does lend the Garmin Venu 3 a sleeker and more fashionable appearance. As one would anticipate, many of the vital features present in the Garmin Venu 2 are also seamlessly integrated into the Garmin Venu 3. These include functions like body battery energy monitoring, stress and heart rate tracking, blood oxygen saturation measurement, hydration monitoring, and the assessment of fitness age. Furthermore, both watches provide an array of shared sports tracking applications, encompassing activities such as running, walking, swimming, cycling, training, HIIT workouts, and a variety of others. As we said earlier, the most prominent physical contrast between the Garmin Venu 3 and its predecessor of the Garmin Venu 2 lies in the introduction of a third button. This particular button serves as the gateway to a significant distinction between the two models: voice control functionality, and exclusive to the Garmin Venu 3. It's worth noting that while voice control is a feature found in the Garmin Venu 2 Plus, it remains absent in the standard Garmin Venu 2 and Venu 2S models. The Garmin Venu 3 introduces an array of novel sleep coaching features, so planning to sleep inside is previously available in the Garmin Venu 2. These enhancements provide users with valuable, actionable insights into their sleep patterns, enabling them to enhance the quality of their sleep. Moreover, the watch can precisely determine the amount of sleep needed for post-workout recovery. A notebook, the addition is the capability to detect and track not only your nightly slumber but also your daytime naps. One of the significant enhancements featured in the Garmin Venu 3 is the inclusion of a dedicated wheelchair mode, specially tailored to cater to the needs of wheelchair users. In this mode, the watch customizes its statistics and recommendations, shifting its focus from steps to measuring pushes. It also sends periodic reminders to encourage weight shifting for added comfort. Additionally, the Garmin Venu 3 extends its support to activities like hand cycling and provides specialized activity options designed exclusively for wheelchair users. Furthermore, the Venu 3 introduces heart rate variability as a new feature and enriches its sports capabilities with updates. We will get open water swim metrics, support for e-biking, compatibility with power meters, and the inclusion of disc golf support as examples. While you might naturally assume that the Garmin Venu 3 large screen and upgraded sensors would lead to a reduction in battery life, the reality is quite the opposite. According to Garmin, the Venu 2 offers a smartwatch mode battery life of up to 11 days between charges. In contrast, the Garmin Venu 3 boasts an impressive smartwatch mode battery life of up to 14 days, marking a remarkable increase of over 25% compared to the Venu 2. You can currently purchase a Garmin Venu 3 directly from Garmin's official website for $449.99 and it produces the Garmin Venu 2 at $399.99. In short, when you're thinking of buying a Garmin Venu 2 or 3, you'll notice that both models share strikingly similar dimensions and design. leaving little to differentiate them in terms of appearance. Nonetheless, the Garmin Venu 2 distinguishes itself with its sleeker look, courtesy of narrower bezels and a slightly larger screen. Where these watches truly diverge are in their features and battery life. The Garmin Venu 3 not only introduces voice control but also brings a host of other valuable functionalities into the mix. These include nap detection, specialized wheelchair support, heart rate variability monitoring, and a range of additional useful features that started apart from the Garmin Venu 2. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.